Welcome to the tutorial on PHP Conditional Statements. In this video, we will cover the if statement and basic logic. Get ready to learn how to control the flow of your PHP code. Conditional statements allow your code to make decisions based on different conditions or criteria. These statements let your program choose between different paths of execution, depending on whether a condition is true or false. Here's the basic syntax of an if statement in PHP. You start with the keyword if, followed by a condition enclosed in parentheses. After the parentheses, you have a block of code enclosed in curly braces. If the condition is true, the code inside the curly braces will be executed. Let's look at a simple example. First, we declare a variable called age and assign it a value of 18. Then we have an if statement that checks if the age is greater than or equal to 18. If this condition is true, the code inside the curly braces will execute, which in this case it will display the message "You are an adult." Here are some common comparison operators used in conditional statements. The double equal sign checks if two values are equal. The exclamation mark followed by an equal sign checks if two values are not equal. The greater than symbol checks if a value is greater than another. The less than symbol checks if a value is less than the other. We can also create more complex conditions. Consider this example where we have a variable score set to 85 and a variable attendance set to 90. The if statement checks if the score is greater than or equal to 80 and if the attendance is greater than or equal to 85. Only if both conditions are true, it will display excellent performance. Let's take a closer look at logical operators. The double ampersand represents the and operator, which means both conditions must be true for the entire expression to be true. The double vertical bar represents the or operator, which means at least one of the conditions must be true for the entire expression to be true. Here are the key takeaways from this tutorial. 1. If statements execute code only when conditions are true. 2. Use comparison operators to create meaningful conditions. 3. Combine conditions with and which is represented by double ampersand, and or which is represented by double vertical bar. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.